How to contact the Amazon customer service. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There are two ways by which you can contact the customer service on Amazon. For the very first one, first of all, tap open your application. Now that you see on the screen, on the bottom right corner, you will see a colorful icon. Tap on it and it will take you to the Rufus, which is a AI powered customer service. Here you can ask questions related to different kinds of products as well as other questions related to shopping. So this is one way to contact the customer support. Likewise, for the next one, you'll have to tap on the three dots on the top right corner or the bottom right corner. From here, you can select customer service option, and then now you can search for the customer service related to different options, or you can search or ask a question or even scan it on the top search bar. And this is how you can get reply from the Amazon's customer service. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.